My people, oh, they say that Olori Ashley is in fear as Kabiyesi's sisters is about to expose her. Not just to expose her, expose her in the presence of their brother Kabiyesi and also the people of Ile-Ife. Hmm. But when I heard this one that these people want to expose Olori Ashley, I was like, what about them? Yes, what about them? The thing that all those things that they did against Queen Naomi, who is going to expose them? Who will expose them on their own? Like now, this Olori, this 3 in 1 sisters, a bit 3 sisters. Who is going to expose them? Because they really fought Queen Naomi when Queen Naomi was at the palace, because they doesn't want any woman around their brother. Yes, they doesn't want their brother to have a wife of his own, and that is why they were fighting Queen Naomi when Kabiyesi married Queen Naomi newly. Now they say that they want to expose they want to expose Olori Ashley, that all the things that Olori Ashley did in the palace, because it seems like Olori Ashley started blaming them for all the things that she is passing through, because you know that it's not easy for Ashley now. It have not been easy for her at all at all. She's not happy as I'm speaking to you right now, because all the things that uh, her her husband now, the way Kabiyesi treats her this time around, Kabiyesi doesn't spare her again. If she do anyhow, Kabiyesi will give it to her anyhow how. So she was like, she doesn't like that kind of maltreatment. Kabiyesi no longer go to her London. Although that one is that instruction came from the gods, that Kabiyesi should not cross near any of these Oloris London again, so that Kabiyesi will be safe. You know that they have been separated. Uh, they have been separated spiritually, and because of that, Kabiyesi should not cross again, so that Kabiyesi will be free. Yes, so my correct people, that is what we heard allegedly. That if Kabiyesi should stop going, the separation will come to pass, will be complete. But if Kabiyesi continue to go, there is no how Kabiyesi is going to be free from these people. They can easily get to him both physically and spiritually. So as we are talking right now, they say that Olori Ashley and the Kabiyesi sisters, that they are having issues. They are having issues because Olori Ashley was blaming Kabiyesi's sisters for all the things that she is passing through in the palace right now. While the Ooni of Ife sisters were like, look at you, blaming us for what? Why are you blaming us? Because by the time you are busy putting family planning pills in Queen Naomi's drink, did you remember that one day Kabiyesi will find out that you did such a thing? When you went and told Kabiyesi that uh you doesn't want that Queen Naomi did not want to go out with you, that she said that she's not going, that made Queen Naomi to pack out of the palace. Did you remember that Queen Naomi will one day reconcile with Kabiyesi? Okay, the time you and Iyalaje Oodua was busy, hey, was busy taking Kabiyesi's slippers. Okay, it was Olori Ashley that told them that, look at you people did not love your brother the way you claim that you love him. And if you think about it, if you just check that statement very very well, you will see that it's a very correct one. It is a correct statement, because I don't see the reason why Kabiyesi's sisters will collect Kabiyesi's spawn and collect Queen Naomi's own just to go and fight Queen Naomi, forgetting that their own brother is also involved. What if they want Queen Naomi to have problem, and the problem finally turned out to face their own brother, like it's now their brother that is suffering from that problem? What would they do? They don't think about it at all. Yes, they don't think about it. So Ashley was like, look at you people that is fighting for your brother now, because because you have seen that Kunomi have won you people. Kunomi have won. That is why you people are now behaving as if you love your brother. You don't love your brother one bit. And you people should not even blame her for anything. Ashley was blaming Ooni of Ife's sisters. Ooni of Ife's sisters at the same time was also blaming Ashley. My people, na blame this time. Blame section den dey. The main thing is that Ashley is in pain. Yes, because the kind of pet that she used to get from Kabiyesi, if anybody should tell her that Kabiyesi will no longer look at her this time around, that Kabiyesi will not even look her way, she wouldn't blame it. So right now she's blaming Kabiyesi. She's blaming Ooni of Ife's sisters. Ooni of Ife's sisters are blaming her, saying that she should not allow them to expose her secret, because you know that these people are full of secrets. Yes, they are full of secrets. Secrets. Oh, their life is full of secrets. And that is why we heard that the Ooni of Ife's sister want to expose them. And she too, she also threatened to expose Ooni of Ife's sisters, because it's not only her that have secrets. So my correct people, I don't know why these people choose to always do this to themselves, because they are doing it to themselves, not me, not Kabiyesi, not Queen Naomi. But if you ask me, Ooni of Ife's sisters are not correct. They don't have sense. You people know that fighting the wife of your brother is as good as fighting your brother. You still went extra mile to fight your brother. Yes, because fighting her wife is fighting him. Now that you think that Queen Naomi did not fall because you people want her to fail. Yes, she did not fail. She stood her ground. She was courageous enough. She went out of the palace and did not buy. Now she's now a developed human being. Like she went there to go to school. She upgraded herself. She's now a classic lady. And the Kabiyesi also love her so much. Now that Kabiyesi wants her back, people are now looking for who to blame. Because of what? You're making a very big mistake. Anyway, guys, whether they blame Olori Ashley for their predicament, I will actually blame them. All of them, they are the same thing. Even Olori Ashley, Ooni of Ife's sisters was like, by the time Ashley and the Iyalaje Oodua was fighting with Naomi Nko. And the Iyalaje Oodua's own is that she wanted Kabiyesi to marry her daughter, but it doesn't work like that. Kabiyesi refused, and that is why she also fought Queen Naomi. Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are all alleged information. But that secret, I thought they would have exposed the secret. At least let us now know this secret, because there is this thing they used to tell us secret. There is secret though. There is secret. But one day, I know that nothing is hidden under this planet. Not one day, all of these things will be exposed, and we will see the foul nyash. Thank you, and don't forget that all these are all alleged. It's not a first-hand information, because I was not there. Now here I hear. Love you guys. Bye.